Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fork a project in Replit. So go to Replit, log into your Replit account. So once you've logged into your Replit account here, to fork a project means to simply use someone else's project. So make a copy of it and then you can make changes or edit to it and then you can republish it back to the server. So simply similar to like using a template, it works like similar way. So on your left side here, you will see like developer frameworks here. Okay. So if you click on the developer frameworks here, you will see like various, templates, like various templates or projects that's been like, published from other users here. So you can simply choose one here. So for example, let's say like, I like this game here. So let's say it's like of this pie game here. So I want to like, use like fork this project. So like copy this project and then I want to add some stuff to this game, some levels or something like that, and then I want to republish it. So simply you go to click on this fork option, which is like a little plug here, so which says use framework. So that's it's actually a fork is now being used as use framework. They have rephrased it, so this is how it is. So click on it and then it'll ask you for a name, so you can just give a name for it. So once you like give a name for your fork, and then you can give a description if you want to, and then click on use framework. So when you click on use framework, now this code will be copied to your project. So you'll have a copy with this project. So the source code and everything, you have a copy, and then you are like free, all good to. So you can see this is the code. I've got it already, so you can feel free to like make changes or edit to it, and you can also share it with someone or republish it here. And that's what forking is. So hope the video was helpful.